Hello guys and welcome to Quipoin. So in the last video of our CSS series, we looked into the CSS display property. We saw what is CSS display and how it is used. In this video, we are going to discuss something more important and how to make our website responsive. So in this video, we are going to discuss about max width and Z index. So hit that like button and subscribe to Quipoin and let's get started. Now, the first thing is what is max width? Max width is nothing but it basically specifies the maximum width of an element that it can have so that it prevent that element to grow larger than that width. If you specify a width of 200, so it is fixed that the width of that element will be 200. But if you give a maximum width, so it will be specified that the element, no matter how much the screen goes smaller, can exceed that maximum width. So that is the usefulness of maximum width. It helps in designing of responsive web pages. Now, what is a responsive web pages? Responsive web page is nothing but web page that can adapt to different screen size. You may have seen that a website acts different when it's on a laptop screen, or it acts different when it is on a mobile screen. And there are many screen variants in mobile too. So how to design our website so it look aesthetic and its structured is remain while giving the best user experience. So we make our website responsive. So max width help in responsive website development. It is the main reason that our website can be responsive. Let's discuss this more deeply using few examples. For example, here I will create a div class and I'll just write anything. For example, welcome to Quipoin. So I have written a statement here. Let's run our live environment and you can see there is a statement here. Now, for example, if I give this sentence to our paragraph, let's just paste it in a paragraph and we have our paragraph, and let's open our style tag so we can see what the max width do, and let's give this p a border. We'll give it a border of, let's say, 2 pixels solid. Okay, and red. I want it to be red, or we can give it a more, yeah. So what I'll do, I'll just copy paste it here and I'm going to give classes to it. Okay, so for example, if I give the first one class, for example, I give it a class normal width, so NW, and if I give it a class MNW, okay, so NW and MNWs, and what I'm going to do is here, instead of just paragraph, I'll just write NW, and here I'll just copy paste it NMW, and yeah. So basically I have created a 2 paragraph with same sentence but different border color and different classes. Now we are going to give a max width and a normal width to one of these classes and see the difference between the width and max width. I give it a width of 500 pixel, and here also I'm going to give it width of 500 pixel. Okay, I have given both the width of 500 pixel, and let's see if our screen size goes smaller, how it is responding. So here you can see I have fixed the width of the paragraph, and when I am reducing the screen, my content is not responsive. It is hiding, and a scroll bar comes here to see the whole content. If I grow it larger, so the scroll bar will go down and I can see whole of my content, but as soon as the content hide, the scroll bar will appear, so that we have to scroll through the content to see whole of the content. But what if I give a max width? If I just give a max width to the MNW class with a blue border, so what will happen here? You can see both have 500 pixel of width, but one is a fixed width and other is the max width. Now here you can see it is same, but as soon as I reduce my screen size, you can see how the max width one is adjusting itself, but how the width paragraph is not adjusting itself. So this is what I mean when we make our page responsive. As I smaller my screen, the paragraph will adjust itself accordingly, but the width will not adjust itself accordingly. I hope you understood what I meant with a responsive web page and what is the difference between max width and width. If you have any problem, you can go to the Let's Discuss forum. You can post your queries here and we will be answering all your questions. Please stay tuned with us. Subscribe to Quipoin. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching this video.